Hey man, welcome back. So today, as promised, we are going to open that one. So really great box. On the side, Professor and Old Man Logan. The back is more or less the same. Wow, really nice, crispy looking pieces of hands. Berserk, beaten but calm, and of course Charles Xavier. So Logan comes with two sets of cloth hands, one with blood stains, the other without. One face looks like it's really been beaten, where he's contemplating the choices, the bad choices he made in life, while the other is crazy, angry, or maybe just enjoying crazy time he has with his old pal Chuck. I'll let you be the judge of that. Articulation, standard, crazy dances, and stuff like that. Everything's cool. The only issue will be maybe this gap here behind. It's interesting that they did paint his a little bit of hair on his neck. If you're curious, how is he under here, which I am, and does it go out? Okay, it doesn't really want to go out. Like, I don't know about changing the hands, if we have to drill and open, but it's so seamless. It would be such a shame to have to do that. It would be great if you could just pop them out. No, you cannot. You cannot. If you have any more luck than me, hit me up in comments. I would love to know if we can give him just a regular shirt from Claw, for example. And when it comes to Professor Patrick Stewart, like nobody's business. He even have some spots on all over his body. Articulation is hinged by this sweater, so he cannot really bend too much, but he can sit properly. The boots, they have such a big ankle here that they look like flip-flops. You also cannot take out the arm, and you cannot really open that stuff. So for kid bashing, that one will be a little bit more difficult. But under here, there is a regular ball joint with hinge, while here they have this wrestling type of solution. You know what I mean. Let's try to do some head swaps. Wolverine, the last movie. Not bad. I said the last, but of course I mean the previous movie, the Wolverine, yeah? Comic book, not really. Too small, too chunky. My favorite head, a little bit low. Something's not really right. The size is kinda okay, but I don't know. I don't feel it. Mr. Sinister, not sassy enough, I'm afraid. Swapping heads between themselves. Even Professor doesn't feel it. And just for kicks and giggles, movie head swap. And the last option that actually does work. And with Laura. Tutorial to how I did Laura is coming on my channel in a day or two. Take care. Now I know why no one is showing this portion of the video of taking them out, because it's quite a challenge actually.